So you're walking around your school, you look around, and you're the only kid that can't do a backflip. You're the kind of kid that sits alone at the lunch table, eating lunch leaf and drinking Prime every day for lunch. But this year is different. This is the new year, a new you. You're gonna change, and I'm gonna show you how. Who am I? Good question. In just 3 easy steps, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to learn the coolest flip so that when you go back to school, you'll be flipping around the hallways, getting in detention with all the other cool kids, all the juveniles, all the delinquents, all the Kool-Aid dealers in the school bathroom.
Before you start learning this move, make sure you have the following. Limbs. 2-inch vertical. Once you've made sure you have limbs and can jump 2 inches, you are now ready to proceed to step 1. In order to begin learning the backflip, we're going to start by squatting like my dog when she takes a dookie. Then you're going to reach your hands towards your favorite side, and planting them on the ground, kick the rest of your body over in that direction. Make sure to jump off both feet at the same time and reach over your head with the non-plant hand. Step 2. For step 2, you're going to do the same thing as in step 1, except this time, instead of looking at the ground and going over the side, you'll bring your head and arms straight back when you kick off the ground. Step 3. The third and final step is to take what you learned in step 2 and slowly turn it into the backflip by adding speed and power. Make sure to brace your arms for impact and be ready to catch yourself. Be careful not to extend your arms all the way, as your skinny little spaghetti arms will snap under your Roblox build. In order to gather momentum for the backflip, swing your arms up and back in time with your jump. Don't forget to keep your core tight or your spine will be reduced to atoms. Congratulations, you've landed your first backflip, and you still sit alone at the lunch table.